When you look at me like this, there's something in your eyes that is singing tonight. I'm not a telling ball like us open the door to a new exciting life.
Astig.
So to look at me like this, there's something in your eyes. Is this love, not first sight? Like a flower that blows, I just want you to know that secret light. So, sabay-sabay na ako. Very good. To find a place where we can hide away. I lose control. Because of you, babe. I lose control. Labanan! Very good. Very good. Grabe mga bakang music kayo. Sa itong live karon, no? It's all written down in your lifeline. Yeah. It's written. You and I were just meant to love is something we will go in today.